Harry Potter is the better story. It's an epic tale of good versus evil. It's got new vocabulary like muggles, horcruxes, and expecto patronum. And Hogwarts, it's a boy battling to grow up facing his enemies. What does Twilight have? A hormonal, no-fanged, virgin vampire with sparkle issues? The only thing good for it is Jacob, because he's a boy dog. A dog boy. That's the only good thing about Twilight. It's Jacob. Well, I gotta tell you something. Twilight has an intimate love story. Yeah, between two equally sweet guys who love Bella more than they love themselves. Yeah, it's an epic love triangle. And also, they have new vocabulary too, like Volturi and Imprint and vegetarian vampires. Harry Potter has what? A pubescent boy who always has to be the center of attention? The magical throbbing scar? That's just ridiculous. And he's always whipping out his wand. Big deal, whip out the wand. Twilight rules, Twilight rules. Yes, I want to be a vampire like Edward. I'm gonna bite your neck. That was good. Very good. Yummy.